Hey there, welcome to this episode about animating a confirm button. I'll show you the animation right away that we will create from scratch. So it's kind of a popular way to show a confirm, right? I'll hit the play again so you will see it. So it goes from a stroked button to a greenish to a circle, and then we animate the OK, the cross or what it is, the check mark there. Okay, so let's create a new document. We'll take an iPhone X. I'll zoom in. So first of all, let's create the button. So I'll take the rectangle tool. I don't know about the size, this one maybe. So it needs a greenish color. And I think I used 4 as a border. Oh, this one was a little bit too greenish there. And I'll copy paste this color code so we have it for the text as well. And I'll take the text tool and write confirm payment like that. And of course it needs the same fill color. Why doesn't it work? Yeah, there. And a little bit more boldish like that, right? And we'll try to center it inside the button like this. And we need to create rounded corners. So I'll use this one here and I'll increase it. And you see I could keep increasing it. We have already reached the maximum. So it's not that important, just maximize it, okay? And I'll make sure it is centered here. Looks good for now. And we'll try to center the whole button there. Okay, so that's good. So we'll duplicate this artboard by clicking Ctrl D. On Mac, I'm not sure. Command, maybe. Okay, so now we need to invert the colors, right? So we'll take this button and the fill color should be green. Let's see, this one. Great. And the text went to white. So that one is the easy part, right? And then we can keep going. As you remembered, after it inverted the colors, it shrank to a circle. So what we need to do now is we need to fade out this text and shrink it to a circle. So it's 2 steps here. So the text, it will go from this text to 0 opacity. And how do we create a perfect circle? Well, we hold Shift and drag. Oh, sorry. Is it Alt? Yeah, Alt. And then we keep going until we find a perfect circle. And I'll zoom in a bit. And yeah, it looks good. It looks good, right? So let's try out this before we go any further. We hit Prototype tool. And we'll go from this artboard to here. So click this artboard and drag the arrow onto here. And it will trigger on a tap. That's good. And here, usually, we will always use Auto Animate. And in my previous videos, I've used Auto Animate. But when transitioning colors, we need to use transition. Okay, I'm not sure maybe it will work, but in the current release, we need to use transition to go from this one to this. And for the timing and easing, we'll tweak that later, but yeah, we use transition there. And from here, I think Auto Animate will work. Let's see. And it will of course be on time and not on tap. So it will trigger automatically. So let's see. Yeah, there we go. Looks perfect. So that's the first part. And now we will create this check mark. So we head back to design here. We'll duplicate this one. And what we need to do is we will use these lines, right? We will create the check marks with these lines. And I mean, you saw they grew, right? From here and then upwards. So we need to start off with one line. I'll zoom in a little bit here. So we need to start off with a point. I'll set this one like this and create it white and maybe increase the border, I don't know, like this. 4 maybe to be consistent. Okay, so we'll set up the first one, maybe like that. And what I would like to do is, oh, sorry. I want it to start like invisible, right? So maybe we could use it programmatical by just typing 0, 0, like that. So you only have the starting point. So we will go from here and then expand the line and use an auto animate. So I think you will get the point, right? So I'll duplicate this one and now I will expand it to its full size. So let's see if I can find that. There we go. And let's increase the width, oh sorry, and height. Why can't I drag it? Why isn't it expanding? Oh, like that, sorry. It was my mistake. So let's see. We will tweak the, positioning later. Now we just want to, let's say, like this, I don't know. That's good, I guess. So let's head back to prototype mode. So what have we done? We made this one to this one should go to this, and here it's no difference. We just added the starting point, right? So it will trigger automatically after 0 seconds and the duration should be 0. Super quick, right? I'll just see that we registered 0. Yeah, okay. And from here we'll go to this one also on time, and it shouldn't take, I don't know, let's try 0.2 and auto animate. Okay, so let's try it out. Well, that didn't animate. Let's see. If I use transition, maybe? I'm not sure. That was weird. Why don't it animate the line? That is really weird. Let's see that again. Is it something wrong with my layer names? Let's see. That one is line 1. And if we take this artboard, we also have line 1. I'll just try this one out. Let's see. Yeah, now we got the smooth one. So maybe it can't be 0, I guess. So make it as minimal as you want, like that. Just the starting point. So it will grow from that one to there. And now we need to set up the second starting point, right? So we'll mark the latest one, zoom in a little bit, create a new line. And just like before, I'll zoom in a bit, we'll just set up the starting point maybe like this, and it should be 4 in width and also white. Okay. And then I guess we're going to the last one. So we'll duplicate this one and expand our latest line. It's called line 2. I'll zoom in a little bit and then maybe like that. It's not a perfect check mark, but I guess, yeah, you'll get the point. So let's try it out. We head into prototype up there. And we haven't set up the latest one, so this will automatically run when this is done. And we use auto animate and also 0.2. So let's try it out. Looks good. Now I might argue that the lines are a little bit too thin, right? So we can head back and keep playing with them. We can play on the last one here. So if we increase it maybe to 8 and this one to 8 as well. And you see now it's a little bit off, so we could position them like that. And now when you've moved this one, I'm not let's see, we set everyone to 8, right? All lines to 8, even the invisible one there. And now it sticks out, so I'll just position it inside there. And also this one here should be 8. So this is like the final tweaking. I mean, the animation, we have achieved it, but let's make it look good anyways. So we head into prototype, hit play. And now, that's the finished product. That's a good one, right? So in this tutorial we have used both transition and auto animate, and I struggled a bit because I couldn't create the first one with an auto animate, and it was because it doesn't support color transitions yet. Hopefully it will support it in the future, so we don't have to know when to use transition and when to use auto animate. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.